how to spot a fake pair of Adidas Sambas. In this video, we're gonna figure that one out. Hey everybody, I'm Massimo and welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that covers in-depth videos of cars and streetwear. And today we're going over another how to spot a fake tutorial. You guys absolutely kill it on these videos every time I do them, so I figure why not continue and do one of the most popular sneakers out right now, the Adidas Samba. So without further ado, be sure to like and share for that YouTube algorithm, as well as subscribe. Any support would just be awesome. Now let's get right into it. Alrighty, so there is a way to tell whether or not you got a fake pair of Adidas Sambas just by looking at the box. Don't even need to see the shoe. And it's going to be right here and the sizing tag. So these are getting a lot better with fakes. I mean, it's kind of crazy how good the precision is, but on the fake tags on the boxes right here, they're going to be noticeably thinner, specifically right here and like the details in the style code, as well as right here in the barcode numbers. It's going to be a lot thinner with the numbers and lettering. A good example of this is right here. As you can see right below, a little blurry, but you can still kind of see on the real pair, the font size is just a little bit thicker, a little bit less spaced out, while as you can see in the fake pair, they're a lot thinner and a little bit more spaced out in between the lettering. So good way to tell right there just by looking at the box. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and crack open these bad boys and get to the sneaker. So here they are, and the first thing that will kind of give away that these sneakers are going to be fake is the midsoles. Now, I've mentioned many times when I do dunks and stuff like that, the midsoles are a big giveaway. They just can't do the preciseness of them. Same here with this guy. So these midsoles should be made with really good quality, and you can kind of like see through them a little bit if you get enough lighting on them and stuff. Kind of hard to see, but you should be able to see through right here with the stripe. As you can see, the midsole gets a little bit darker at the stripe point and stuff, and should be see-through. And where they mess up is actually in the fake pairs, they're not see-through. So you get to the stripe point and it's still the same color throughout. Then there's a good sign that you got yourself a fake. A better example of this, because my lighting in my room is kind of screwed up, but like, yeah, here it is. As you can see, the real pair, the stripes, you can definitely see through them with the midsole. And the fake pairs, also where they mess up is on the suede. So the suede on the real pair is going to be noticeably brighter, while on the fake pair is actually noticeably darker. So if you get a pair of Adidas Sambas and you look at the suede and notice it's like a really dark gray instead of like a lighter gray, that makes sense? You're gonna notice it too. Once again, photo shows this pretty well. Another good way to tell is if you swoop to the rear of the sneaker right here with the pull tab, the distance between the stitching and to the first layer right here is going to be noticeably spaced out, while on the faker pair it's going to be a little bit closer. Here's a good example once again, real versus fake. The fake pair, as you can see, the spacing is all correct. On the fake pair, it's just completely off. One of the best ways to tell is actually on the front of the tongue right here with the logo. So they do mess up, once again, the font sizing, thickness, all that stuff, spacing, but they also kind of mess up the printing. As you can see here, the crispness of the print is pretty dang sleek, nothing out of place or kind of like jagged. And you can see real versus fake right there. The spacing of the letters is all messed up. The S is a little messed up, but also you can kind of see in the printing on the top there's a lot of jaggedness. It's not as clean or crisp. Same goes for the sizing tag on the back here, right there. Kind of take a note of how the spacing and everything should be and the thickness, because the fake pairs just make them really thin. Once again, another good example right here. You can see right there in the 8.5, it's a little bit too small, and the spacing on the numbers are way too close. It should be nice and bold on the real pair. All right, now it's time for the bigger details, and that is the insole. Pop that baby out and once again examine the text. For some reason the fake pair just can't get the clarity right on these. You want to take a look at it and look at the quality of the print. Make sure it's nice, you can read it, it's not fuzzy or anything. So once again, example right here, real versus fake. The real pair, the letters are nice and crisp. The fake pair, it's just all over the place and they're can't even get the alignment right. Now here's the biggest one, is actually once you have the midsole out, take a look at the inside, and then you kind of want to get a look at the stitching. Most normally the stitch pattern, you know, look at the spacing of each strip, stitches, most noticeably the stitch pattern. So you kind of want to look at the stitches, look at the pattern of it, the spacing, all that stuff. That's where they tend to mess up. And also kind of like the footboard, if that makes sense. So this one is white, and fake ones do tend to be black, but also I think it also depends on the colorway. So once again, real versus fake right there. As you can see, the stitch pattern on the fake pairs is just all kind of messed up, a little bit too close, and a lot more stitching it seems like, while the real pair uses less stitching and a little bit more spaced out. And also the color is off. One is white while the fake one is black. And yeah, that's all you're gonna really need to know for those styling details. So other things to note will probably be like the smell of the sneakers. If you have a fresh pair of sneakers, don't do them with a used pair. You're gonna get a nose full of feet. But yeah, just grab a sneaker, take a big whiff out of it, and if you have a actual real pair on hand that you know it's real, go and smell that one too. If the smell's a little different, it's a good sign that it was probably made in a different factory. And then other things I like to do, and this is just my personal experience, is check out the seller. You know, message the seller like, hey, why are you selling these sneakers? Where did you buy these sneakers? Do you have any proof of purchase of these sneakers? If you're constantly asking them questions and the story kind of varies a lot, it's a good sign that trying to lie to you or trying to sell you a fake pair. You know, get a good feel of the seller and everything. Make sure the story stays consistent. And yeah, I think that's all you're gonna need to spot a fake pair of Adidas Sambas. What did you guys think of the video? Comment down below your opinion, like and share for that YouTube background, and last but certainly not least, subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.